A significant part of our future in the OBA has to be a focus on technology. Technology is already revolutionizing the law, and practice management tools, as well as tools to allow a practitioner to go up against larger law firms, are already being implemented in practice. Through the OBA, we need to do more than just have a CPD highlighting what these tools can do. I would like to see us actually provide hands-on experience and demonstrate to practitioners how these tools can improve their practice, move their practice forward, and allow them to be more profitable. If they can be more profitable, it allows them to provide more cost-effective services to their clients, thereby promoting access to justice. As the former chair of OBA's Tech Expo, and as someone who is deeply involved in the tech sector within the legal industry, I believe that I can bring that expertise, I can bring those experiences into my role as the OBA president to help us move in that direction.